All right, just a real quick video here. I have been wanting some lights on this van for a long time, and I wasn't really sure how to go about it because they don't exactly sell off-road lighting kits for these cars. And I'm really a fan of like the old school round rally style lights, you know? So this is what I came up with. I bought some cheap 9-inch LED lights. And then I went over to Home Depot and got this bar. And if you can see here, I bolted this bar into another one of these bars that I cut down. And I tried drilling into that bumper, but it was actually very difficult. I could not get all the way through. I was going to put some long sheet metal screws in there. Anyway, long story short, I kind of gave up on that because I was going to tear too much stuff up. And so I cut a little hole in the bumper, and this is where the license plate goes. So if I decide to take all this stuff off, I can just put a front license plate over it, and it'll hide the hole in the bumper. And so I ended up epoxying this in there. And I have to say, these lights are a bit heavier than I imagined. So it's not really an ideal setup, but I just really got a kick out of the way these looked. So that's my minivan off-road lighting system.